Next, question number 12. As shown in the figure, a cylindrical glass contains water. Here one cylindrical glass is there, it contains water. A metal sphere of diameter 2 cm is immersed in it. This metal sphere with diameter 2 cm is immersed in this water. Find the volume of the water. We have to find the volume of this water. Students, you can see that here in this glass the water level is up to 30 centimeter. Okay, and the diameter of this cylindrical glass is 14 centimeter. This water level is increased after immersing this sphere. Okay, that means this is not the actual height of the water level. For what we have to find out the volume. Okay, so here we have to apply Archimedes principle. According to Archimedes principle, if you immerse any object in the water, it will throw the water equal to its volume. Okay, that means here whatever the level of water we can see, this level means this much water is having the volume after immersing the sphere. So first we have to find out the volume of this water after immersing the sphere. Taking height 30 centimeter and diameter 14 centimeter. Okay. After that we have to find out the volume of this sphere. And if we subtract the volume of this sphere from the volume of water, we will get the original volume of the water. Followed the question? Okay. So let us first write dimensions. Practice set 7.1, question number 12. So for cylindrical glass contain, cylindrical glass, diameter is given 14 centimeter, but for calculation of volume we require radius. Therefore radius r is equal to diameter divided by 2, so equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, then height of water level, (30 centimeter). Okay, so therefore volume of water after immersing metal sphere is equal to, it is cylindrical shape, so volume of cylinder formula we have to apply, pi r square h. So here pi kept as it is, radius we have to take 7 centimeters, so 7 into 7, and height is 30 centimeters. First multiply 7 into 30. 7 3s are 21 and 0. See, easy multiplication we will do. First we have to write this 0 as it is, then 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. 1470 and this pi centimeter cube. This is the volume of water after immersing metal sphere. Now next shape we have metal sphere. Metal sphere. So it has only one dimension, radius. So diameter is given. Diameter is given 2 centimeter and therefore radius is 2 upon 2, which is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. Now find out volume of metal sphere. Four upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3 pi we have to keep as it is, and the radius of metal sphere is 1 centimeter. So 1 into 1 into 1. Okay. Now here we have to divide 4 by 3. We have to find the answer up to 2 decimal place. 3 1s are 3. Remainder 1. Take decimal point. Take extra 0. We have 10. Then 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Recurring. So we will take up to 2 decimal place. So 1.335 is multiplied by 1. So no effect on the answer. 1.335 centimeter cube. This is the volume of metal sphere. Now we have to find the volume of water. Volume of water equal to volume of water after immersing metal sphere minus volume of metal sphere. So 1470 minus 1.335 equal to, now to subtract this we will arrange it in vertical manner. 1470 minus 1.33. So here we have to take 0. Here 10, 9, 9, 6. 10 minus 3, 7. 9 minus 3, 6. 6. 9 minus 1, 8. 6. 1, 4. So 1468.67. The volume of the water is 1468.67 pi centimeter cube. This pi we have to take here and then write the answer. Therefore, the volume of the water is 1468.67 pi centimeter cube. So this is the answer. Followed. So students,